So we're at the green wide gauge here. Belongs to one of Dad's buddies, and Dad's gonna explain all the inner workings of this Bombardier.
Okay, first of all, this Bombardier was taken right down to a bare body and then rebuilt. This stump pan is brand new all the way through.
Yep.
And these are new track adjusters.
Okay.
And the bumpers front and back are bolt-on with 6 bolts that can be removed. And the receiver is welded to the bumper. And it's wired for 8,000-pound winch that goes with the machine. There's a backup light. And what we started with after rebuilding the body is a rebuilt rad, a new transmission cooler, and we started off with a rebuilt 318 poly with a Edelbrock intake and a 4-barrel carburetor. And then we wound up with 2 batteries so they could be shut off individually in case you killed one, it'll start. It's got plastic gas tanks, and this fan was put in. It's run off a switch on the dash for in the spring when things are hot. The bogies have been rebuilt. That's right here. And the chains, all brand new tires, foam filled, new sprockets, new tracks, new cleats. Now we'll go around to this side. This is the second big battery with its own switch. Filters, and this is a switch for right or left for the gas tank. This light here is for checking oil at nighttime, and it has a 1-wire distributor. This is a fan here. You look through here that takes hot air out in the spring. See how it draws there? And this is cold air in. Everything new here. Got mirrors, adjustable, has spring dampers, new springs, new shocks, rebuilt skis that have the original rods in them. These skis, you don't have to do anything with them except change the rods because they're metal now. So this is the front end for the winch. Most of the time you get in trouble, you go backwards though. And these lights are special LED lights, headlights, light bar, brand new windshield wiper motors. It has CD and radio, and these are made for rain or snow, so when you open the door the snow doesn't go in. Speakers for the radio or the CD player, dash fan, shifter on the dash, compass, sun visors, review mirror so you can see what the children are doing, custom seats, the tip of head to get in and out, custom ceiling, custom around the windows, tucked in underneath the rubber, not over top, custom seats and floor. As you can see, door stops on all of them, and the customer wanted this wide seat at the time when we were rebuilding this so the grandchildren could lay down here and sleep. It has a heater in the front and a heater in the back, so all kinds of heat.
Okay. Do we want to look at the diff or anything?
The diff is new. Transmission was rebuilt when the motor was put in. And all the doors are meant to close properly.
Okay.
Double hinge doors.
Okay. And what kind of motor again is that?
This has got a 318 poly. This has electric power steering. This is light bar button, and everything else is marked here, whether it's heater, wiper motors, horn, whatever.
Okay. And
a holder here for your satellite phone. We have cup holders if you're having a coffee or something stronger, one on each door. The ears on both sides so you can see what's going on. Dash shifter.
wired to start in neutral.
Yep.
Okay.
And then once you're running and you're all happy, you put it in park before you get out.
Okay.
It can't move. Custom covers over the... Put the lights on.
So Dash is putting the lights on here.
The headlights.
There you go. So very bright. So this is just one of the Bombardiers out there, but this would be one of the top tier classic car type of Bombardiers that if you just wanted to turn the key and go and enjoy your day, you know, ice fishing or taking out the family or going out on a groomed trail, this is like how to ride in style. You wouldn't have to do anything. The customer who owns this is thinking about possibly selling. This is the customer. This is who you're going to have to contact. It's Mr. Hopper. So
Hopper. Bought this from Gary some 10 or 12 years ago, and every year we added something to it. Brought it in faithfully every year for service, and I think that's the key with any piece of equipment. This especially, we did it all, and it's in mint condition. Mixed feelings about selling it, but we're going to sell it. The grandkids are growing older now, and like most grandkids, they're getting jobs now, and they're in school, they're busy in sports, and even in the winter time, so it's going to be partying is a sweet sorrow, and that's going to be what it will be with this. But for contacting me, if you are interested in purchasing it, you can reach me at home at 204-624-5583, or you can email me at gwhopper, Hopper, gary50@gmail.com.
And we'll put all that contact information down here in the description as well. So it is for sale. He'll be talking to whoever is interested here. And if you wanted a machine that is in absolute prime condition, this is one of them. This is probably one of Dad's masterpieces that he put together here. And having his friend, the customer, so close, the preventative maintenance and the yearly maintenance was done quite regularly. And it's a beautiful, beautiful machine with a beautiful paint job. And it's got the whole Gary McLean treatment for service on this. You would be hard pressed to find a Bombardier in this condition available for sale. So if you are interested, give Mr. Hopper a call. It is for sale, and but this is one of the top tier Bombardiers out there, and I would think that it would be pretty hard for a lot of people to get one as good as this. So if you're interested, again, contact Mr. Hopper. Don't contact Dad or myself, because we're not in the selling business. This belongs to the customer, and you need to talk to him. It's going to be located in north of the Pas here in northern Manitoba. So if you're interested, you can make an appointment with the customer and come out and take a look. You need any more videos of anything, just let us know. Comment in the comments field below here. And but you'll need a YouTube account. Just get an email, log into YouTube, create an account, subscribe to the page, and then you can comment on the page. So there we go, guys. Beautiful, beautiful Bombardier, and that's it.